I've hit the go live button.
I'm live now.
He's live now.
Ugh.
Let me open up the stream together.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that.
Athletic S-Star.
Should I make my new magic deck on stream instead of working on Dante 9?
Probably not, but maybe.
Maybe? Okay.
I have invited you to the stream together.
Yeah, I got it. I got a twin.
You got it, twin. Oh, so I've got a little bit of an update for the enemy stuff. Which is mainly that I fucking hate it, but that's fine. I might end up rewriting like the navigation stuff. No, not the full navigation, but like the navigation agent, because it's very inconsistent at times.
Yeah.
Yeah. But also now that I'm pulling some navigation things, I don't know why it's broken exactly, but let me turn off debug collision shapes. No, so I'm sorry, like Kylie, I want to hear something.
Oh, can you turn
else.
on shared chat?
Yeah. At least something I feel like listening to. Sure. So if I go ahead and load into the game, I don't know if I'm working on this today, I'll be honest. I kind of want to work on something else because this is pissing me off. So I made it so that this guy, he's just going to run to this spot. If I turn on enemy navigation, that's his current target. He doesn't shoot at the player, so he'll aim at the player, but he doesn't shoot at the player until I move into a range of him, at which point he will shoot. And he'll also lock his aim when he goes to shoot, which I don't know if that's what we want. But I also made it so that I can hit him and he should pick a new spot, move to it. Yeah. And he'll try to stay at that spot, which isn't specifically like making sure that he's away from the player. But the way that this is handled now is in here, there's a function called should attack on the weapon, which basically just takes the position of the enemy and the position of what its target is, which is the player, make sure it's within this range, and that I can also see the player. So I can be right here and he won't shoot at me until he can see the player.
Mm-hmm.
It's a little annoying. I also made it so that he aims at the player, as you can see. Let me turn off this debug collision thing, or the ground enemy input driver as this. So you can actually see that he'll aim directly at the player. Like, I think you had this as well, something like that.
Yeah.
And I believe, yeah, he'll face whatever direction he's facing. Whereas for the ground enemy guys, actually, I think if I press F, yeah, if I press F, he'll be somewhere else. So let me do this and he'll move hopefully somewhere cool. He didn't, because I think that he randomly put his spot up there. So he does his movement stuff as expected, but there's still a lot of work to do with him, because currently he targets the player, and whenever he gets hit, he'll choose a new random spot to go to. Whereas what we actually want is for him to constantly check whether or not he's within like his quote-unquote sweet spot, and if he isn't, he'll move to a spot that's like far from the player.
Yeah, I was having trouble figuring out how to do something like that.
Yeah, that's the part that's like pissing me off a little bit, but it's fine mostly.
Okay.
We might get rid of the enemy info dot aim direction. Yeah, I might end up getting rid of this.
Okay.
Because we have access to input now. Because this was made before we were using like the util components.
Yeah.
So I've just been swapping, like for this guy, he uses the input driver for do I have the find? Do I have enemy firebound? I do. This guy uses the input component now. I also changed his ability or his movement a little bit so that he doesn't go into like a wander state right now if he can't reach the player. So he'll path, and then if he can't reach the player, he will just move to that last path spot. So I'll stand down here, and then you'll see that he'll walk to that spot. But this is using like new enemy logic. He has a brain now, which is what he's using. So basic enemy brain, which just has this. So it has a target and a target position. I'll probably rename these to like, this is like what it wants to aim at, and then this is where it wants to move.
Oh, that's nice.
So,
okay. So would this also make it easier to make them like target things that aren't the player?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Yeah,
because one thing that I was thinking that could be cool is to have like a defense like level where like you have like a little thing that you have to defend.
Oh, like
and,
the Terraria. Oh, you didn't do that.
Wait, which one?
Yeah. The Terraria Crystal, the Old One's army.
Yeah, I did that.
Oh, you did? Okay. Oh, yeah, I guess it's unlocked like relatively early. It's,
yeah.
Like first boss or some shit.
Yeah.
Like where they go after something instead of directly to the player, and you kind of have to stop them from doing that.
Yeah, something like that.
Yeah. GW's very rude and a nerd, puts you in a bad mood, makes you hungry for a cheese curd. Cheese curds are really good. Also, hello, Mod Nikki Mom. Bitty, a gigantic titty Lydic. I am not gigantic titty, actually. I'm regular amount of titty for a guy, I think. Maybe below average. Who knows, though. Also, hello, little DC.
Or like gigantic kitty, am I right?
That's true, bitty gigantic kitty Lydic. The other thing, so for the enemy brain stuff, this is actually being used in the enemy follow state, which looks like this now. So this is the entire enemy follow state for both the ground enemy guy and for the skeleton guy.
Whoa.
So they both just do that now, which is simpler by like a lot. The ground guy, since he uses enemy slash, his do attack is just, or should attack, is making sure he's on the ground and that there's something he can attack inside of the area. And so he just has this detection area right here, which is this collision shape, versus this detection area, which is the hurt box, which could be the same, but I probably don't want it to be.
I'm trying to think. Detection area. Was it like that before, or is this now?
No.
Okay. What was it before?
Before he was, there was like a direct, like, is he on the ground, and is he within a certain Y difference of the player, and is he within a certain X difference of the player?
Okay. Yeah, I guess detection area is probably simpler than that.
Yeah, so we can just like, because we could also make this like larger. Oops, this needs to be unique. Well, so we can make this larger. Wrong detection area. I opted to not use the same collision shape or the same area as the hurt box, just because this is set up to damage the player. Yeah. However, this could also, we could reuse this by like doing like a is attacking. If we're attacking, then we want to damage this. Otherwise, don't. But
yeah,
I think this is just like, this is simpler.
Yeah. That also makes it clear that there's a detection area rather than it just being a hitbox that like sometimes does some special things. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that's because I was fucking around with it in the editor, I think. You just ate your dinner? It was very thick and made you a winner? What the fuck did you eat for dinner? Or wait, like stock or some shit?
Bro ate 3 of them.
So you can see that the detection area, ignore the flicker back a little bit. It's not a huge deal.
Flicker, is that a Magic the Gathering reference?
Yeah. I'm actually curious. I'm going to look at him when he does that. It's because he like pushes back away from the thing. But I am mostly happy with the Oh, it's whenever he's going up. I am mostly happy with this change. So does he not do the thing? I guess he didn't push back.
It seemed to be like when he dropped down.
Oh, he did it there. That was weird. Yeah, he like does it
random.
sometimes. Yeah. See if I can get him to consistently do it up here. Yeah, he seems like he will consistently do it there. Yeah, so it's because the target that he's aiming at is like technically
he's right below him. Yeah, so he tries to move back to it.
Yeah. So he presses back for like a frame.
Yeah.
Which means that the detection just like moves back. However, I think I can actually change this. I have an aim at target. So I believe this should just aim at whatever direction the player's in, even if he's not technically facing the player. Oh, no, so sorry. So this one will do something different where he will actually face towards me always, which looks weird. But it's kind of fun.
It does look kind of funny.
Yeah, like he will just always face the player versus facing the direction he wants to move.
That is funny.
So yeah, anytime it flips backwards, it's not specifically the visual flipping back, it's the detection area because of, just cause. But yeah, I unified that a decent bit, and I want to make it even easier at some point. Maybe not today because holy shit, was it annoying to set up? But in terms of things that needed like to actually be changed per enemy, I also made it so before the input driver had 2 export variables for the different like the wall cast and the ground cast. Oh yeah, viewers, get the fuck out of here.
Yeah, viewers, let's go.
Yeah, I already have AI viewers, unfortunately.
Yeah, we got Duo Gamers B in chat.
Yeah, Duo Gamers B be like, I love ChatGPT and Quad.
We're so mean.
Yeah. But the so before the input driver had like 2 export variables for the ground cast and the wall cast. That's no longer the case. You no longer need to like set them anywhere. It's there's this ground raycast scene that you can just add to something. And if for any reason you need to change it, like let's say we have a super wide enemy, we would just want to go in here and say like make local and then just like move whichever one we need to. But for most ground enemies, this should work fine. And so the input driver just like grabs that via our regular component stuff and handles it because it has a couple methods or a couple of variables which are wall hit and ground hit that we check. So in terms of things that are specific to enemies now, it seems like this guy, if I wanted to remake this guy, obviously I'd have to re-add all these codes. We don't have I haven't put these into like buckets yet, but it would mostly just be like giving him his attack, I guess, and whatever his visuals are, and then other than that, that's basically it.
Have you touched the flying guy at all?
I have not.
Okay, because I was gonna maybe mess with his visuals a little bit, but I don't know if I should maybe wait for you to do your enemies.
You can do that, yeah, it's fine.
Okay.
I mean, let me see what he does actually. He might actually crash the game, to be honest with you. He did. Sure did. I actually don't know the reason of that. Flip sprite GD physics process, yeah. Yeah, but you can work on his visuals if you want it. It shouldn't break anything in like a meaningful way. And if it does, I can just I'll just merge it, don't worry.
Yeah.
Because if it's, I mean, you're probably going to be you're just going to be changing things under visuals. I can figure out what needs to be mashed together to get it right.
Yeah, it'll probably be very similar, that and like the animations, but
Yeah.
Like it'll probably be just the same exact sprites because it'll be like the body and like the 2 little wings probably.
Yeah.
Likely.
Oh,
maybe.
he actually. Oh, he doesn't have an input component on him. Do any of our flying enemies have input?
No, I don't think so. Because it's literally just like
they just grab
accelerate
from the nav, right?
towards the navigation. Yeah. It's
yeah,
very
so what
simple.
I would probably, I think what I'm going to change about that is I'm going to make their input component query the navigation that they're moving to, and then it'll just like press in the direction of the navigation node, if that makes sense.
Yeah, sure.
So like, if this is our flying guy and his next navigation target is right here, currently, I believe what, based on what you said, is he will like check this direction and then he will accelerate in that movement. Or like imagine it was like the drifting guy who like moves weird. If he's moving this direction, he sees this as his current target, so he kind of like wants to move there, and so he sets that as his like target, and then it'll like kind of adjust this more towards the direction over time, right?
Mm-hmm.
So instead of doing that inside of like, I believe it's the follow state, I'd imagine, or I don't know where the fuck it's being done actually.
I don't
Wherever
think there's not even a state.
Actually,
there's probably a state machine in that guy.
Let me take a look.
In the eyeballs, there's no state machine. They just move.
Yeah.
They just be moving.
That's the hive. Oopsies. Fire. Uber. Spawn. So yeah, because this is enemy base. Excuse me. Movement driver. Do you know about? Okay, yeah. So this knows about the nav agent. So what I want to change is rather than this being put into the thing. Oh god, this is a lot actually. Hold on. School driver. What is school driver? You said you copied. You took like Ghoul Driver and you did something. What'd you copy this off of?
Ghoul Driver. That's copied off the eyeballs.
Okay, gotcha.
Yeah. Which is very simple. It's basically just like accelerate towards the navigation point.
Targets. Nav.velocity is that. Right. Global position dot direction to nav. Yeah, so this thing right here, basically, is rather than doing global position dot direction to, it would have access to its input driver and it would just say like input dot move direction.
Yeah.
And then the input would actually handle the decision on what move direction is. Just because then I think that would make it like, I don't think we're going to do this, but let's say we wanted to like make a card where you use this and then your movement becomes like something where you can drift through the air for a little bit, or like you like fly through the air in the same way.
Yeah.
It would be way easier to do that. Or like if we wanted something that behaves differently than just using the navigation agent, you know, like doing that would be way easier. I'll see a new messages overlay. Yeah, because my thing broke a couple of times, and so I'm just using a pre-built one instead of anything custom made. Because before I was using something custom just because I wanted to have certain things, but I suck at making things look good, so I'm like, fuck it, these guys are better at making it look good than I am. Ew. Why the fuck is there why are there variables declared between functions here? Why we got variables declared in no man's land?
I don't know. Don't ask me. I didn't put them there.
You did. I know what you did. You copied it from the one class, and so you just like grab the variables and like just paste them in the class, which is fine. But let's see. If I were to get rid of nav, oh sorry, actually I wanted to do this first. I wanted to give you a driver. What would your input driver be? Maybe I should put the Solstice theme in my playlist for streaming.
The what? Oh, that one. Yeah, the thing you sent me.
Yeah, the banger of a song.
It's okay.
I don't know what you mean. It's okay. I think it's great, and the box art is so amazing. Because there's a song about or it's a game about like a wizard or whatever, and it's just got him with like he's just ripped as fuck. What's his magic? He just like beats the shit out of people. It's fire. Apparently the game's really difficult though, and it also doesn't look like something I enjoy playing. But
yeah,
music,
because
the
you're
opening
like
is like crazy. That's true.
This guy hates good games, by the way.
Mm-hmm.
That's why he plays Dwarf Fortress and League of Legends. Two of the worst games of all time.
Guy who was definitely playing Warframe earlier today. He's thinking, have I played Warframe today? You did, technically. Have you played? Did you play Warframe before stream?
No, I haven't played it since like this morning, I guess technically. Because I was, I had to take my dog to the vet and do some other stuff, but then I tried taking a nap, which horribly failed. So now I'm like extra tired.
Real. No, I'm terrified for the day that you wake up before work to play Warframe before you have to go.
No, I'm not doing that. I'm not getting up that early.
Yeah,
I guess if I work in the afternoon, maybe, but still. Nah, I'd much rather sleep than play Warframe.
Okay, so it's not that bad yet, I guess.
It's not that bad. But yeah, maybe we'll get there at some point. You never know.
How do navigation agents work again? I always forget this shit.
I don't know. Read the documentation.
Yeah, me neither. Huh?
I don't know. Read the documentation. Am I wrong?
Yeah, I'm not doing that. I'm looking at what we got in here.
Yeah, it's fair.
Nav agent, get next path position. Oh shit, dude. Is that what I named the other one? Sure fucking didn't. Sure fucking didn't. That's okay. 'Cause I think what I'll do. Where is navigation agent 2D? I will call this enemy navigation, and I will just make this something common. Yeah, I'll just call it navigation. Ah, shit. That doesn't work, actually. No, never mind. I'm not doing that.
That's crazy.
Yeah, that do not work. Let's see. That's fine. Probably. I will still register this as a class, though.
Meow.
Yeah, pretty much.
Yeah.
I don't trust JW. He only speaks in lies. You should stop JW and cut all your ties. Yeah, that's the plan after Dante's 9 comes out. Don't tell him.
What?
What?
Fair enough.
Huh?
I said fair enough.
Oh, yeah.
I'm gonna
I don't think
export
anyone
this
would blame
guy
me on
at
that one.
a 13 by 17 resolution.
I'm gonna fucking kill you if you do that.
It's okay, it's 12 by 12.
Just make it 16 by 16, brother.
I don't wanna.
Why not?
Because it's weird. There's like a bunch of empty
Why is that weird?
space.
How's that weird?
Because it's weird.
How is it weird? Whatever, dude. Whatever, man. I hate this motherfucker. Oh, I know. I have a word. I have target in here, right? Yeah.
What's a
Wait,
shorter name I
super.
can call these besides flying fire enemy, flying gunfire flying guy?
What the fuck are you saying? What?
What can I call this guy? Bug. He's gonna be bug.
Orbo.
Orbug.
Orbzen.
His name is Orbug. Orbug.
Please tell me. I can't see how many letters you put. Please tell me it's just one B though.
Yes, it is.
Okay, good.
His
All right, yeah.
name will be Orbug.
It's Orbug. Yeah.
This will be Orbug small. Actually, we'll call him Fire Orbug since we might have other Orbugs. Okay, this guy will be
What is
a
this?
17 by 17.
Dude, the fucking... Why are we dropping soliloquies in my fucking chat? What the hell is
That's
this?
funny.
JW is one to talk. He says 16 by 16 is weird. He's more annoying than nails on a board of chalk. It wouldn't surprise me if he was middle-aged with a beard. You're doing like a... I see you're doing like an AB right there, but it's like... A and B are like very short, and then the second A is like a little longer, and then the second B is like hella long.
Why are we analyzing poetry?
I
never want to do
English
that
class
again.
taught me.
Yeah, I had to do it too.
Yeah.
It was abysmal and horrible, and I hated it.
I had to do it again, dude. Bro's like, I fucking hated my teacher. Sorry if you're
Yeah.
watching, Mom.
No, I went to like an actual school thing. It wasn't legally a school, so I can't call it a school. Never mind.
Bro didn't go to school. Bro went
It
to
was
the
really
learning
funny. No, they
center.
genuinely had to legally change their name from a school because they couldn't legally call themselves a school.
That's fucking crazy.
It was really funny. But I did
What am
have
I
an
fucking
English
doing?
teacher, and they were evil.
Many such, yeah.
Nice thing is they were ancient, so like I think like halfway through the year they started losing it, and so like you could just rage bait them by saying something about like anything modern, and they'd be like, oh, everything modern is like horrible and we should like go back to everything being old and ancient, and then they'd rant for like half the class. It's pretty fire.
Oh, they would say that?
What?
Like they would say that anything modern is like whatever.
Yeah, they like rant, especially like music. They loved ranting about like how old music is so much better. So you could bring up like anything about modern music, and they'd rant for like an hour. It's so good.
I hate that shit.
It was so fun. Cool Gamers B, you should open a Counter-Strike case.
Wow, the devil on your shoulder is on the screen currently. That's crazy.
Sorry.
No, you're not.
No, I'm
What?
sorry. Oh, I forgot to export the wings. Hold up.
Bro, forgot to export the wings.
These are gonna get exported at 7 by 7.
Please don't.
What else am I supposed to export them at? 9 by 9? Is that better?
Anything reasonable?
But then it won't be centered.
I don't give a fuck if it won't be centered.
You little chud.
Oh, it won't be centered. I wish. Oh boy, I can't wait to fucking position this wing at 0.5 on the x-axis so that it fucking makes sense. The problem is, yeah, it won't be like directly centered in like the sprite, but if you export it at an odd number, then the sprite will be off the pixel grid, and you're the motherfucker that's like, oh, you know, everything needs to be pixel perfect. We're gonna export the Wii to Dante in 39 by 47. We might do.
Yeah.
What if that's the first console port we do is for the Nintendo Wii? We add motion controls to Dante's 9.
That would be kind of fire. We should do a stream where we play modded co-op Elden Ring.
What? No. I don't think we should.
What, you don't think that'll be fun?
No.
I think that'd be so
I
much
don't.
fun. I think that'd be amazing.
This thing actually doesn't care about velocity, right? No. Physics process. So what this is doing is, if we are here, this thing, current time, and following time, aim direction, movement direction. These are the things that I care about. So let's just paste this in here and see what happens. Navigation, agent. You don't need to be there. You do. You do. You don't. You. Oh. Target position. No, you don't need to be there. Well, Wait, am I stupid or dumb? Why did I make the... Why is the attack handling whether or not he should be facing the thing? Does this deal with, like, input stuff? Oh, it sure fucking does, I guess. What? What? I forgot what the fuck I was doing in here. Modern co-op Elden Ring? Is that even a thing?
Yeah.
Yeah. JW should stop with suggestions or he'll give you some congestion. Yeah. I think he's like contagious like all the time, basically.
Yeah, I'm like always dying of some illness.
Bro's actually the plague bringer. It's fucking crazy. Are you vaccinated?
I don't know.
I was like, man, you sure do get sick a lot, don't you? And then I thought about it. I was like, wait a minute, this motherfucker might not be vaccinated. Maybe that's why.
Probably not.
I don't know. I need to rename this from aim point. It's pissing me off now.
Did they change the animation editor? It looks different.
Yeah, you can collapse the sprite thing.
Oh, maybe
like,
that's what
the
I'm
node.
saying, yeah.
They also made it monospace font because that makes sense usually. Monospace font is fucking sick, by the way, and it should be used way more often. Shall leave you to stream now. I bid thee farewell. This is all the time you can allow. This stream was fairly swell. Good luck on your limerick journey. I really do give the gamers be a typewriter, and holy shit, this motherfucker's gonna make Shakespeare or whatever. Not even given enough time. Give him like 5 minutes, and I'm sure he'll fucking pop something out like that. Okay, I think this is what I want. So now I can probably get rid of any reference to enemy info in here. Seems like it. What are the chances? I don't know why velocity computed is connected in here in the fucking slightest, because it definitely shouldn't be. Movement direction. Inputs. Enemy inputs? Is input not something just on the fucking states anymore? Oh, oops. What? Oh, I guess not. Weird. Very weird.
Whoa, is that Tone? Hello, Twin.
Oh my god, you need to send Tone the song I sent you and hear his opinions
Oh
on
dear,
it.
no. Because he's
Tone,
gonna
look
say
up
it's like
Solstice
really good.
for the NES. Solstice NES title theme. And just listen to the first... Actually, listen to the whole fucking song, honestly. I can tell you that because I think you will. This is where he's like... What if Tone just immediately like mentions Tim Follin by name? That'd be so cool.
That would be so cool.
Like they already know about fucking the composer. Does this work? Enemy info.can see target. What the fucking world are you doing that for? I see. Kinda. Weird. Whatever. I think this should work. We'll see if this crashes. It might. And that's honestly okay if it does. I will be a little upset, but it's okay. It's fine. Mostly. Bind spawn. Let's see. Actually, what do I have? JK and O bind spawn. Semicolon. Flying enemy. Flying fire projectile at me. Okay, it crashed. Sure. Because you have no brain. You have no brain.
Wait, what about?
Why do you have no brain? What? What the fuck? Why do you have no brain? I thought I automatically made a brain. Weird. It sure does. So what are these guys, by the way, that you're working on?
Hmm? They're just the
What are those
regular
guys you're
flying
working on?
guys. They just I just want to make them look different because I don't like how they look.
Fair enough.
It's good as contrast might be a little bad.
Because this doesn't have this. Okay, I see. That's fine. I'll just add a fucking... Just an enemy brain. I'll just add one. Who cares? Me is the answer, but it's okay.
Actually, where's my contrast test? I need it. Yeah, he's a little dark. He's not terrible, but like... I'll work on some adjustments, I think. Hello, Filippo Calipo. I mean, Mr. Jeff. I mean, Garrett.
Wow.
I mean...
Holy shit.
Whatever your name is today.
That's crazy. Did you hear the way that he said that? Because it definitely wasn't like a, hey, how's it going, Filippo Calippo? It was a, hi, Filippo Calippo, or Mr. Jeff, or that one furry artist in the server.
The only one.
The only one?
Yep, the only one.
What about you? You're in the server.
Yeah, it doesn't count.
Oh, so you, okay, he's saying that he's a furry artist. He didn't say no.
So my potty can tune back in. What did I miss? It looks sick. I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing.
Oh, you didn't hear what I said, Tone? I said you need to look up Solstice on the NES. Look up the title theme for it. That's Solstice, the game. Because I think that you would... I want to hear your thoughts on it. Also, what do you mean you're not a furry artist? Mr. Jeff, I don't think you've posted any art in either of our servers that isn't just furry art.
Yeah, that's probably true.
Invalid assignment on the base object. What? Oh, it's not called movement direction. It's called move direction. Bitch. Pissing me off. Me and my own code.
Yes, PMO.
I
My
don't even
scroll
know
wheel
what
is
that means.
falling apart again.
I'm telling your parents that when you say TSPMO, that's basically saying this shit pissed me off.
Okay.
They're gonna be like, what?
What?
Not our son. Hey, dude, why is the, what the hell? Why is the, what the hell? Oh, I know what's going on. Kinda.
This might look terrible, I can't tell.
I'll probably clean this up in a minute. And by a minute, I mean never, but that's okay. Don't tell anybody.
Yeah.
Yeah. Pretty much, yeah.
Yeah. Okay, that might not work. Nah.
me see. Is there any way that I can wrap this in like a class that does something cool? Because like if I make this extend node 2D and then do something like self as navigation agent 2D, this doesn't like, I can't convert it.
Scroll wheel is broken again.
Oh, I guess what I could do. You're back after listening to Solstice title theme. Thoughts and/or prayers, or spells, or hexes. Any instance, any responses?
He doesn't get that one. He doesn't play Magic.
That's okay. I know JW's doing the Leo DiCaprio pointing at the screen whistling meme where he's like, dude, I get that reference. It's Magic the Gathering.
I love Magic the Gathering.
Idiom must congratulate you. You are part of a single-digit number of people to show me music I actually found profound or interesting. Let's fucking go.
Have you heard of this band called Polyphia?
No, shut up. That guy does some fucking crazy music on the NES. There's also, if you look up Pictionary for the NES, the title theme for that was also done by him. He does some crazy shit.
Is Dante halfway done yet? I don't know.
Not a chance, but maybe. Probably not. I don't know how I want to wrap this. Because I can't like overwrite a method, right? Like I can't do like a... What the fuck is the method called in the actual class? It's like get next path point, right? This is gonna complain and it's gonna be like, surprise, bitch, you can't do that.
Do y'all even have a roadmap, or are you just adding stuff until you get bored? Yeah, pretty much that one.
What's up? Oh, we have not exactly a roadmap, but not exactly not a roadmap.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's... Oh, wait, do I have the ability to set this as active? Fuck, I don't. Can you not disable a pathfinding agent? I guess you can't. Weird. Now we have a... We have kind of an idea of how much stuff we want to add, and we have some deadlines. Like we are going to be at godotcon in like 2 weeks.
Yeah, about 2 weeks.
Yeah, about 2 weeks. And so we have a bunch of things that we want to clean up and get working for that. And so instead of doing that, I'm making enemies easier to add so we can add more.
Hey, Biddy, I think this guy looks pretty good so far. I want to adjust the animations a little bit, but he's like at least visible.
Whoa, he's a little dude. Look at him go. Did you just like replace the...
Yeah.
So is this going to be the new flying guy, like his new design?
Yeah.
Okay.
I think maybe. We'll see.
His wings are definitely... Something about his like wing animation.
Yeah, they need to be more like fluttery because they're supposed to be like little bug wings kind of. So yeah, they need to be like faster and like swing more. Because right now they're kind of just like wiggling. Yeah.
I definitely think he should be on the ground and then jump into the air and do like a little hover with his like wings going like, you know, and then like shoot. I don't think he should do that in game, but it feels right for him to do that because that would be cool. Is it not called Dude, I cannot type here. Oh, there we go. Get next path position. Get next path position. Can I update that position? Yeah, this overrides a native method. It won't be called by the engine. And may not work as expected. Yep, you're right. Would you not have it as a child of player instead set its position if it's processed with code at this moment? Yeah, that's what we do, I think. I don't think like our camera is a child of Dante. Right? I think.
I don't know.
Yeah, like our camera is a direct child of Dante. I don't think it's at the top level either. Oh no, it is. Lol. But yeah, I would do that, Wilson. Is I would have the player as a child of the player, or the camera as the child of the player, and then do movement stuff like that. Does saving enums in an autoload break stuff? What? I don't know what that. I don't know what you mean by that. Like,
Seems like a pretty clear question.
Really? Okay, then you can probably answer it. Go ahead.
Oh, I didn't say I knew what the answer was.
Yeah, that's true, actually. What if instead of... What if I did this? Next position is a vector 2. Something like that. And then I can have active if not active next position is equal to, very well. If not
JWDC
active,
Mesa Prime drop on the 11th? No. I did not.
evil.
What if no wings and just evil
things are being
orb?
said.
I could, but we like already have the eyeballs, which are like kind of evil orbs, so I'd rather not have like everything just be evil orbs. You know.
You had an error when trying to access enums from autoload for some reason. The only way I can think about that being when accessing it from an enum, or did you do the thing that I usually do, which is I do like const enum name equals and then like the place the enum is declared, or did you like try to access the enum from another, like from some class? If you need clarification on that question, I can provide a little bit more as well. Okay, I think this should fix it, perhaps. That physics process isn't gonna fucking run, so I don't know what I'm doing. Lol. Also, this should definitely be this. You posted it in Godot General. Let me take a look. See Doodle.
Sorry, a little better.
How fucking far am I? Wait, am I stupid? I'm scrolling to find it, and I might be blind. Let me just from what? Oh my god, I fucking hate Discord so fucking much. Wait, can I not? Can I not filter specifically by a fucking user anymore?
Yeah, you definitely can.
Or is it because I'm on streamer mode or some shit?
Oh, it's probably streamer mode. Yeah.
Weird. Weird. Where's the most recent message by this thing? You put it, you do something in art, right? Yeah. Yeah, your furry art. Oh, I can't even see your fucking thing because I'm in streamer mode. Whatever, I'll disable streamer mode. Who cares?
You're gonna instantly get like 15 pings. And
yeah, for sure.
For it.
Let me go find your. Where the hell did you post this? What the hell? Rubber ducky. Okay. Let me open this up in my browser and I'll take a quick look. Invalid access. Oh, Tone, you dickhead. Tone immediately pinged me on Discord.
Got a fire.
Alright, let me find where stream mode is. I'm turning it back on.
I sound awful, don't I? Yeah.
That's okay.
That's irrelevant to me being sick. I just sound awful.
Yeah. Meow, that's your impression of
Meow.
Dante. Yeah, that's true. Meow. Okay, so this invalid access to property or key value on a base object of type nil. Oh, I accidentally downloaded it, so that's cool. My guess. Let me think. We've run into this before. We've run into something similar, at least. I think the problem with this might be... Is this on a tool script or is this on a regular script? My guess is that this is on a tool script. Because this is line 4, line 3 is blank. Maybe line 2 is the extends, and then the next one is the at tool, mayhaps. If it's a tool script, it's a regular script. Fuck. It might just be. Let me take a look and see if I can get this to do this. If I were to say like at export var test or enum dot attack type dot melee, does this crash in the editor? Doesn't seem like it. It also doesn't seem set. Is that oh wait, is that enum defined as part of an autoload, or is that enum defined as part of just a class? Because that's a new question. Let's say I were to go in here and say like let me define an enum real quick. Enum test enum value another. And then let's say I were to go back to this guy and then do what the hell was it called? Video settings is where I put it. Does that get upset?
I realized I wasn't following. That explains why I have no clue when we went live. It's crazy.
Lol. That doesn't seem to be throwing an error.
What if we taught video to play Warframe on stream?
No. What do you mean taught how to play Warframe? As if it's a game that requires teaching.
It kind of does. yes, yeah.
Oh, video settings is the top level or the top auto load. So I'm gonna take a guess. Just my current theory is, if you have the enum defined in an auto load and you're referencing another auto load as like trying to get the enum from it, it may be that the auto loaded class that is trying to get the enum is in a later load order. However, let me verify this first before I tell you that that's the case. So I'm gonna go to like UI layers because that's our like lowest priority auto load basically. That's a weird way to describe it. I don't know why I described it like that. Export var test video settings dot test enum dot value Does that bitch and freak out? It might. It'd be kind of cool if it did, because then I could tell you that that's for sure the problem, but it looks like it's not. I don't know. You might just be like fucked up. Yeah, I don't know, to be honest. I'm not seeing anything that's causing that to be broken on ours. But this is what we do for our enums throughout the project, is we have, I'll probably break this up eventually. But we define our enums in just like a static class. So they're like in one spot, and then whenever I want to use it later in the project, I can grab a reference to that by doing const enum name and then setting that equal to the enum name. So then here later I can say like default is video quality dot, and then we still have access to all the different enum values, which is what I personally prefer doing, because then you don't have to like copy it between things. You don't have to know the exact class. You just kind of have like a reference thing. Streamer like guy funny moments window.
No.
That might be the move, JW.
It might be. You're right.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, Biddy's like entire argument for why Warframe is bad is because he has a bunch of friends that he doesn't like, or people that he knows that he doesn't like that play it.
Oh, that's not the only reason.
That is the entire reason.
It's still pretty weird that Godot doesn't like it like that still. Yeah, it might be something. It's definitely something a little weird somewhere that's going on. I don't want to tell you this because it's going to change everyone's life forever. Enums and Godot are actually just dictionaries, which are not. They're very different from actual enums, and they're also very different from enums in the engine. So if you define an enum in GD script, it is basically a dictionary that maps a string to an int, I believe. And then you're aware, yeah, it's some weird shit. So it might just be that it wasn't fully initialized, and then using an export variable made it extra uninitialized or whatever.
Tony, do you like my stream music or is it terrible? I was asking Tony if he likes my stream music or if it's terrible.
Oh, it's terrible.
Probably terrible.
Yeah, it's terrible.
It's actually pretty great. But...
yeah, for sure, dude. Does this break?
It's pretty good.
This guy breaks. I think he does. Oh no, he doesn't break. Oh shit! Why are you moving like that? Let me kill all the enemies that aren't. Why are you? Huh? Oh, because I'm not disabling the navigation. Also, why are you not aiming at the?
There you go. I think these wings are like bug enough. I don't know. I still don't really like them, but
bugging. Bro's bugging.
Yeah.
Where the fuck is his attack? Am I stupid? It's right there. It's right there. Freeze movement.
What is this? Oh dear. I'm scared. Should I play this on stream? Okay. I will add it to the queue. This better not be horrible.
Input.aim point. So why does this specifically check for a player? Oh, whatever. It's my favorite thing about 4.7.
6.7?
What is my favorite thing about 4.7? I feel like I had an answer to this, but I forgot what they added in 4.7. Godot 4.7. Let me take a look. Quick look. I'm gonna go back in here and I'm gonna look again. Probably this, the GUI offset stuff. That's probably what it is. There's a couple of other things that I like that I don't 100% remember. I think the this UI for showing where the node will actually drop is very, very nice. Because before it felt like you could see what it was, but it was a little difficult at times to see that you were dropping it either as a child of it or above something, but now it like shows directly where it's going to be. There's also, when you're dragging over a script, there's this little window down here that shows like what will happen if you hold Control or Alt. That's also quite nice.
Yeah, like my little ore bug.
Also, I'm glad that they added. I'm not going to use this ever because I think JW would kill me. But you can make conic gradients, which means that they are still supporting gradient textures, and that means it's on people's mind. So that's really cool.
Yeah. Uh-oh. Tone has an idea. I'm scared. What if there's a special interaction with this guy where he was bouncy and you could bounce off of him? Is that the whole thing?
Who's gonna tell him?
Because ball.
Who's gonna tell him that was literally like, you used to be able to just like pogo off of enemies Hollow Knight style before for a while.
Yeah, and then we got rid of it because like it was very random.
And then we got rid of it because JW hated it.
Yeah. This is true.
Why is this not updating?
Okay. JW hates fun, that's why he grinded Kume as his first frame. That's crazy.
Oh no, stop it. Ooh.
That was fun. What are you talking about? That was a lot of fun. It was, we got to speedrun that like one mission like 20 times. We gotta show Biddy how fun Warframe is. We gotta get him into it. The song's pretty tough, by the way. Here, I can turn it up a little bit.
Dude, it is about to rain outside, and I'm very happy. It's been.
I love rain.
So
I love rain. It's not raining here.
Shader previews are also great. They probably are. I haven't really had a whole lot of use for them because a lot of the shaders that I write don't render in the preview. I'll be honest, I don't really know why, but a lot of them never render until they actually like get shown on screen, and so they're kind of those previews are kind of just useless for me specifically.
It's pretty tough.
What the hell, Bond? What the hell? Such a nice femboys yappin' ASMR video. No, wait. Oh, it's Billet Extreme. Same thing.
Yeah, it's pretty much the same
First
thing.
of all, no. First of all, that's not true. We are not femboy. Well, I'm not a femboy. I don't know about JW. And second, what do you mean such a nice femboy yappin' ASMR? Bro was looking for that shit, I guess. I mean, like, fair enough. I'm thinking about is this how to rebrand video? JW called himself a furry artist earlier.
No,
so.
I didn't. That's not true.
No, I didn't. Yeah, for sure, dude.
I hate this place.
Yeah. What am I doing in here? Why am I looking at this fucking file? What is the purpose? Here it is. I don't have access to nav in here. Why not?
Whatever you do, don't go to Amazon and buy the skirt. Not the Amazon skirt. Biddy would buy the Amazon skirt because he's too scared to go outside and go shopping.
What are you talking about? It was just yapping. Gender erasure is bad and no one should do it except for me at cis people. As my expectations versus results so far with the project taking longer than expected or going fast? A little bit of both. There's a couple of things that are just like, oh shit, this went by like hella fast, and there's other things where it's like, damn bro, this is taking a long fucking time. There's also a lot of times where I have to go back and kind of rewrite things. Like right now I'm rewriting enemy code because JW wanted to add an enemy. And the way that he did it pissed me off, so...
Did you do like the little bug guys? I gave them like the little... Actually, you're probably not going to be able to see it very well here, but I gave them a little rotation.
Like a little rotation?
Yeah, it's the same thing that like the eyeballs and stuff do, but it just looks really nice. So like whenever they move left and right, they'll like do like the little wiggle thing, and I think it helps a lot.
Is that lazy Tidum? No shot.
Hello, twin. I haven't seen you in a minute.
Type shit. I don't know if I should freeze the input in here or not. I might.
See.
I guess I could.
I think they're pretty good. I honestly might use this guy as like the smallest one. I think he's already pretty small. I didn't realize. Because I was planning on like the smaller they are, the like less bullets they shoot. So like this one would probably be the one that only shoots one. Been sleeping past your stream, so I never made him. That's a little silly. Going to bed is for losers. Just kidding. Sleeping is great. I took a nap earlier.
Sleeping's fun.
Actually, I need to see if I have any like bug sounds, like little bug flying sounds. Make these guys like extra buggy. They're already plenty buggy because I helped make them.
That's true. I see. Need to not movement driver. Input driver. Ooh. Did you hear the fucking static shock that just went through my microphone?
Nope.
That's pretty cool.
That is Jeff. Oh, wait.
That is Jeff.
It translated hi Jeff to this is Jeff. Why does it do this?
I don't know. Your YouTube's fucked up. Your YouTube is weird.
It doesn't do it for you?
No. Oh.
Oh.
Damn.
Holy. I can
Damn,
hear
bro.
That through your mic.
Yeah, I was like, okay, I just won't speak while this fucking ripples throughout the entire country. And then it still went through my noise gate. I was like, damn, bro. Yeah, I can tell. It's actually fun. I can tell when it's about to thunder if I'm speaking because I hear a little static shock because the fucking electricity of the lightning within like a few miles of me is enough for my mic to pick it up.
That's really funny.
Which is kind of crazy. You guys should be proud of you. You got the dishes out of your room? Holy shit, that's actually massive. What the fuck? It just help you do work. Never mind.
Huh? Oh.
You're evil as fuck. That's like actually
we
disgusting.
gotta get Biddy into Warframe.
Shut up.
Do these streams help you get more wish lists? No, they don't. Not in the slightest.
No, not at all. These streams are not for like audience stuff mostly.
Yeah, we don't care about you.
Yeah,
That's
it's
what Biddy
not,
just
well, no,
said,
it's,
by the way.
yeah,
you're
it's not about wish lists for the streams, and it's not about like even getting people to see the game. It's more about like we need a set schedule to work on the game.
Wait, hold up. Is this what I needed? Bug? Oh, there we go. It's a little bug. Little buzz.
Oh damn, bro.
Bzz.
They do it for accountability. We sure fucking do.
Well, I'll add bug sounds later, but I just wanted to see if I actually had any bug sounds. Oop, nope, I did not want to open screen to GIF. Thank you.
Hey, cool, this works. Yay, look at this dude. The flying enemy works.
Also, Jay, but
Which
JW
doesn't
didn't
sound-
tell me if you like the art that I posted.
This doesn't sound particularly cool that the enemy works, but it's actually like kind of a big
I mean,
deal.
it's pretty good, I guess. You're a little freak, but my favorite bug sound is the one Biddy makes after JW adds something to the game. This is true.
That one.
Yeah.
And choker box sound. You're doing that to feel like you have some sort of obligation? Kinda, yeah. That is basically it, yeah. Just because like we don't work on the game as like it's not like a full-time job or anything for us. So like with personal projects like that, I'm sure a lot of people can relate. If you're just like, oh, I'll work on this whenever I feel like it, there are going to be times you don't feel like it. But if you have a schedule and like expectations and accountability, like you're way more likely to, you know, want to work on it, or way more likely to end up working on it.
Did you end up getting any of the like elevator thing done? Is there anything with that I
Yeah.
can work on? Is that in here?
No.
No. Okay.
Yes. Yeah, actually.
What's it called? Called like
Flesh
end room.
End or something like that, or flesh elevator or some shit. I don't know.
Yeah. Can I just like run it and it'll work?
Hopefully. I don't know.
Imagine if we made like a reasonably scoped game. Oh, it would go down.
Yeah, it went down. Oh, because it spawns you on the platform.
Oh wait, it's
Yeah, I didn't move the button with it, lol. But yeah, that works mostly. Oh yeah, that's where I left it. But it does have at least the thing that mostly works. Person just work on your project every other day. Yeah. I mean, I work on it whenever I feel like it, and also like I do have this as like a scheduled time to also feel a little bit of accountability of like if I don't get anything done, it will show, regardless of how much people notice. Like people might tune into the stream and be like, damn bro, you did nothing. So like what was... Oh yeah, I wanted to try something. Now that I moved this over to use a more correct form of movement stuff, what if I were to replace the player's movement in player movement with a... the fuck is it called? This thing. The flying fire movement. Can I give Dante flying fire movement?
Probably not.
Why not?
Because it just won't work.
You're probably right, but that's okay.
Add bullet jumping? Okay. but you can't step up on the button.
Yeah, I haven't added that yet because I need
Okay.
to, because it's a bitch.
But I think basically what it should do is, I like how it goes down right now. Basically, I think it should go down, and once it gets to like this point, it should probably start fading out. So kind of as you go past the parallax, it like disappears. It just like completely fades out, and then we'll fade into the next level with the elevator going down. Elden Ring reference?
I mean,
Yeah, it's basically like an Elden Ring elevator. That's the inspiration.
Yeah, I mean, you said you wanted to do that, right?
Do what?
Like, you wanted to work on the elevator and give it like some style or some shit.
Yeah, I just don't. I mean, I guess I can. I don't know exactly how, because I don't know how it works right now. I don't want to figure it out. I'll figure it out.
Okay, that's fine, I guess. Whatever.
Okay. How does this work?
It's an elevator. Castle Crashers reference. I actually didn't end up. I haven't played Castle Crashers, unfortunately.
Aha, so you did make it a 9 patch, correct?
Yeah.
So why does the pressure plate not move with it?
Oh wait, no, I didn't make it a 9 patch rect. That's the background.
Oh, that's the background. Okay, I see.
Yeah,
see,
the
so
actual
the pressure plate. I see.
Yeah, because it's just not parented to it. Maybe that works. I don't know if that would work. I guess we'll find out. Lol.
It probably won't.
Let me comment this out for a second. And this as well. Lol.
Yeah, no, that doesn't work at all.
Oh, it's doing something funny though. It's pretty cool.
That is pretty cool. So yeah, I don't know what that's doing.
Why is this not doing anything?
I'm guessing it's because it's doing stuff with position. It's like moving the position around while also trying to animate it, and then it's messing up. So, I don't know. Maybe I'll just let you figure that out. It's probably gonna be easier if I just wait till you make it like completely functional, and then I can go in and make it look nice rather than try to make something look nice that doesn't work. Why does this have errors?
Oh shit, dude. Yo, JW, look at this.
What am I looking at? What the heck is this?
Dude, Dante's using the flying fire movement.
Why?
What do you mean, why?
I hate it.
What do you mean? Yeah, I mean, I do too. But it's like kind of cool, right?
You might be the worst to ever do it.
Ow.
You just are.
I don't understand. Wait, is there anything that gives knockback whenever you use it? Shotgun, right?
Oh no.
Aww.
Bro just copied the movement from my game SMH. Bro, you have a game? Since when do you have a game?
That's crazy. Who? Movement.
Movement.
Fit.
Or as my chat would like to say, it contains movement.
Huh?
It translated fit to
Oh.
contains.
Contains movement. It sure fucking does, dude.
Coincidentally, it's also Silicon Reclay. Oh yeah, I forgot you did have a game. Yeah, I forgot about that. Oh yeah, right, that's probably why you joined the server.
Space game.
Yeah, I forgot that you like,
Yeah.
No, I was thinking last night, I was like, why did you join the server? And I like kind of forgot.
Why are you here?
Yeah,
That's crazy. Bro said, what the fuck are you doing, dumbass? Get the fuck out of here.
No, that's not what I said.
JW hates people. JW hates Tone, by the way.
Yeah,
Anyone curious?
I mean, this is true. He got me into Warframe, so I probably should hate him.
Ooh, you want to go play Warframe? Ooh,
You're right. I will go play Warframe.
evil.
It's true. It's me.
That's true.
Okay.
That is true, actually. Okay, that's the flying guy done. Flying guy
Okay.
works. Cool.
You're over there doing like cool stuff, and I like drew a little ball and made his wings flap and called it a day. What am I doing?
Both of us did. Both of us made flying guy work. That's cool. What if I
Yeah.
made the fucking floor end thing work?
That would be cool, and then I can make it like look cool.
So wait, what did you do? You said that it didn't work?
Didn't work for me. Oh, here, I'll adjust this item art here so it isn't identical to the Minecraft sword,
Oh yeah.
so they don't sue me.
Bro copied Minecraft. by the
I
way.
genuinely accidentally copied Minecraft. Accidentally. It's an accident.
Did you attach it
guys.
to the sprite or did you attach it to the static body?
I don't know. I think the static body. Bug. What?
Yeah, pretty much.
Did I send you clips of my silly kitty roguelite that Biddy stole a movement from? Okay, let me look. No, I'm looking. I'm looking right now, I promise.
He's looking.
Oh wow, that's literally identical. Hold up. That is quite literally identical. Wow, Biddy, you are like
Wait.
kind of
said it
evil for
didn't
that
work?
one. Huh? It doesn't
said it
work at my
didn't
end.
Do you still have it set up?
No.
Oh, you ended it.
Let me try it again. What did you do?
But apparently the same thing you said you did.
So I took the pressure plate and I made it a child of the static body.
Okay. Yeah, try it again. Bitty thief? Bitty pirate? Arr. Arr. I don't know why. It's not showing. There it is. Okay, the message that you said goon, it didn't show up on my. It showed up on my chat overlay, but not in the chat in OBS.
Oh, oopsies, I opened the wrong scene.
Don't tell JW. He didn't actually have to restart the game to do that. Because there's a command to load a scene, so
And why would I do that?
instead of restarting the game, I don't know. Why would you do that? That doesn't make any sense. You're right.
Oh, okay. Maybe it does work.
Whoa, yours weird. Maybe it's always
Oh,
weird.
now I'm stuck on the floor.
Yeah.
Yeah, we probably shouldn't be able to push the button multiple times, so. What's your favorite coffee? I like a hot vanilla latte. Actually, my favorite is a hot white mocha latte, but we don't have white mocha at my job, and I'm sad about it.
We don't have the white mocha. White chocolate coffee. Everyone wants white chocolate coffee.
Yeah, it's so good. Here's White Monster. White Monster is also very good. I did make a Dr. Pepper latte once. I think I need to work on it. It kind of sucked and it tasted pretty bad, but I did make it. Maybe I'll try like a White Monster Americano sometime. I know those are popular. Quite popular.
Can you look at this JW?
I'm looking.
I made it so whenever you unpress the button, it just resets the animation. It's because Dante falls off the
Who's
button.
putting White Monster in coffee? Cool people.
Dude. I heard pink monsters for the mega gays. JW, what are your two favorite flavors of Monster?
I'm not gonna share.
JW always gets white Monster and the fucking pink Monster. He gets both of those motherfuckers.
There's also the like the purple and blue one that was also
Yeah,
pretty good that I
it's
tried.
called the bisexual Monster.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
They're all pretty good. I should try
Sorry.
more with monster flavors. I'm just like scared that I'm gonna get one I won't like it, and that would be bad.
What? I should
Well,
try
like
more
trying
monster
things
flavors.
and not liking it.
Yeah, me whenever. I bet JW's the fucking CEO of Terrorism Incorporated. It was crazy. Why is it unpressing the button?
Okay, what? Oh yeah, sword. That's what I was doing. I'm really good at focusing, guys. Especially when it's Warframe. I can focus really well if it's Warframe. It's actually a lie. That game requires literally 0 brain power whatsoever. Oop, I'm on Bitlick Vision. Ain't nobody want to see that.
It's like going too fast for Dante to fall down to it. Lol.
Except when you're running meta RBs, like
Like they have the meats.
they have the meats.
That's what I heard at least.
Yeah.
I don't know how true that is. Does this not count as a moving platform or some shit? Why is it not snapping? What the hell? What the helly?
Deviante? You'll understand soon enough. 7 days. What? What's in 7 days? I'm scared. Did he save me?
You got no
Scared.
Warframe. I am no longer responsible for saving you in the fucking lightest.
Well, you were getting it into. You were getting you into
Not
it.
a fucking chance.
Yeah.
You cannot get me into Warframe. I don't know if you know this. Like, it will not happen.
We literally can.
What in the fucking world is that? What in the fucking world is that?
Oh.
Oh, man. Where did you find me from? Benny. Oh, okay. That makes sense.
Who's Benny?
Benny VV.
Oh.
I was about to ask, where did you find me from, and why do so many furries find my YouTube and Twitch streams and shit? It's only slightly bizarre.
It's really funny.
It is funny, yeah. Mostly.
Maybe it's because like all your stream titles are like meow 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 meow.
Probably not.
Probably not.
Oh, I don't want to work on Dante's 9, but like I need to. What
You
the
want to
fuck?
play Warframe? Ooh.
I don't want to do that. Not the fucking
Ooh.
slightest. What do I want to work on?
Yeah,
I really don't want to
that's
do more
what it
enemy
is.
stuff. It's pissing me off.
No, that's
It's hurting-
understandable. Like
it's
if you
hurting my
don't want to work on
fucking
it, don't work on it.
life. Oh, actually, no. There is one thing I can work on. Here we go. I can make the enemy creation thing that I was talking about before.
Oh. If you want to.
Like the ability to specify the enemy type.
We just gotta
Biddy
show
make a
Biddy the
commitment
mod
now?
screen and spreadsheets and he'll lock into Warframe.
What?
True.
Biddy, make a commitment now. What are you fucking talking about? A commitment to what?
You're only...
No.
That's not gonna
Why would I do
work.
that? No, no.
He's not evil like
How about I
me.
just stop working on Dante's 9 and I don't play Warframe? That might be the move, I think. Chat, is this real?
He just doesn't get it. It's okay.
Okay, what
He'll
was I
he'll
gonna...
understand someday.
Here we go. I need to make the enemy creation screen. How do I want to do that? Util editor. I guess I already have this enemy builder thing. But I'd rather this be like a little bit more of a thing. Doesn't even have that much code in here yet. Whatever.
The hi-hats on that track make me mad. That's crazy.
What song?
I don't know, whatever song I'm playing right now.
Okay.
It's just some like
That's
jazz.
fair, I guess. Hmm?
It's like some jazz stuff, kind of. Somewhat jazz, kind of not jazz.
Some jazz stuff. Bro's jazzed about that shit. Let's see. Can I? I want to do this. I could pop this out to a different window. That'd be kind of cool. Bossa Nova lo-fi to study to slop.
This one is like a little bit lo-fi slop. This artist does have some good ones though that aren't just like lo-fi slop.
Let's see if I make a new window and then editor interface dot pop up dialog. Can I just do this? Bonk. Yo, window. Why the fuck? What? What? Can I get rid of this now? Oh no. Oh no, chat. How do I? Uh-oh. How do I get rid of this?
What did you do?
I have an emotional support window. Oh no. Chat, how do I? Chat, how do I get rid of it? What do you mean?
What did you do?
I made a window. What do you mean? I just told you what it is.
You know, but like, what did you do?
I told the Godot editor to pop up a window.
But like, what did you do?
I said, yo, Godot editor, pop a window.
And they were just like, sure.
Yeah, it was just like, okay. I expected it to have window decoration, so I'm just like surprised that it doesn't. Git control.get win. Can I see a list of windows? Get tree.window. Oh no.
Avoid like Warframe? True.
Get embedded sub windows. Okay, there it is.
This one, someone did mention Warframe actually. I think it was Bitlytic.
What are you talking about?
You'll understand someday.
Oh my god, I can't. I'm gonna panic. I can't see the node set up in the tree. The window's in the way. Okay, here we go. I did something really bad. Okay, there's no embedded sub windows on that. Get base control.get viewport. What if I do this? Hey. Okay. For window in that window.queue Let's find out if this crashes the Godot editor or if it. Hey, I got rid of it. Cool. Okay, I killed it.
Let's go.
That's pretty fun. What if I did it again though? What if I brought a window back for old time's sake?
True.
The keep above other windows thing has honestly revolutionized you cleaning your web browser tabs. No, genuinely, being able to just like right click on a window in KDE and say, hey, keep this on top is so fucking game changing. Like it has changed my life so much. Let's see. So I want to make a window with something here. I guess I could. Let me make this. Open builder. Button builder. So let me do this. This can be a control node. Bonk. Actually, you can be a window probably, right? Yeah, you can be a window. Whatever, who cares? Yo, tiny little window. Oh shit, window moved. Fuck. Why did window move?
I do know balls, it's true. I heard this come on and I was like, oh, Tona's probably gonna say something about this.
JW knows balls.
No, no. What?
No, pomegranates.
They're so good though, yeah.
Balls?
The
Yeah, you could say that.
the artist. Not the...
I was like, yeah, I know balls. They're so good. Drool emoji. Alright, let me add a label.
JW plays
No.
balls like it's FIFA, but that would be funnier if you said Rocket League because I actually play Rocket League. So you missed your opportunity there. My scroll.
Damn,
was
bro.
purple.
JW was like, man, you didn't correctly roast me.
Yeah, like
Damn.
you could have
That's
cooked
true.
me there. It would have been over for my career.
I just want you to know that I am building UI and I typed an HBox container. My first thing that flashed in my mind was the image of Gooey that had after he had just eaten a character in Rivals. And I'm like, it's so bad. Fucking the HBox Yoshi clip just fucking pings into my mind like Akira.
We need to get you off
It's
Rocket
fucking
League because it really hurts the credibility of Warframe.
That's
No, but Rocket League
not-
is good.
Which one I think is worse? Still probably Warframe, to be honest.
Rocket League's like a good game though.
Yeah, no, for sure, dude. Yeah. For sure, dog. What is this, dude? Does this crash? Sure it doesn't. It's kind of cool, though. Oh, shit. I didn't know you were like that, Godot. Whoa. This feels weird. What the fuck?
Listening to JD Beck play is like listening to a foreign language. Also, I'm 4 years old. Yeah, it's pretty accurate.
Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. I can't get rid of it. Chat, ignore this. It's gone for now. It's gonna be over there in the corner.
What did you do?
What do you mean, what did I do? Nothing.
Okay. I can't wait for GUI to come out.
You are so weird.
What? He's just a silly little guy. I can't see what he's doing. I want to know. Oh, sorry. Let's see what he's up to. It's code. It's lame. Yucky.
Oh, there's another window. I can move it around. I can't close it. So it's now hidden over here for a little bit until I get it working again. Oh, actually, I could just do inside the right function here. Oh, but then how the fuck do I get rid of the... Hold up. I have to fucking go through all the for editor interface. Get root. No, not root. Editor interface. Oh shit, sorry. For window in editor interface dot root. Get base control dot get viewport dot embedded sub windows.
JW tried to make the sword look more like the Skana from Warframe. I don't know what that looks like actually, so can't tell you.
Humble bundle with an amazing bundle. The GDQ bundle is actually good. What is it? Let me take a look. Humble bundle. What the fucking shit is this? Let me see. I don't remember how to look at. Oh hey, there's a bundles tab.
Whoa. Maybe that's where.
What in the fucking world did I? Okay. So I went to Humble Bundle. We have Arc System Works Evo Collection, Summer Games Done Quick, whatever. Yuri and Luck, waifus for lifus. Is this the one you're talking about, Little DC? I'm assuming so. Going Road, a light heavy bundle. Wow, what we got in here? I've heard of one of these. I imagine these are like smaller roguelites, like lesser known roguelites. Definitely not that one. But Little DC, are you saying that you don't like you don't support Yuri? That's crazy. Yeah, I know the reference. I'm assuming you're talking about the same thing that I was making a reference to with the what kind of fruit is this? This is a mango.
I hate those so much.
What?
They're so unfunny.
No. They're so funny when it's like, what the fucking kind of shit is this? Please do not cuss, but this is a mango. Are you fucking stupid? That is a hamburger. Or some shit. It's like, so good. I don't know. They're so fucking funny, man. You wouldn't get it. You wouldn't get it.
Alright, bro.
Yeah. You couldn't hear it clearly on JW's side. Yeah. You don't like romance? That's fair. I'm gonna open this in a new private window so I can hold on to this later. I'm actually opening it up so I can see that it's not like I don't want there to be I don't want to accidentally put porn on the screen. Oh yeah, dude. Okay, that actually is just Yuri. All right, GW. I got a bundle for you.
What?
It's $12 for 11
I don't got
items.
$12. Also,
all right, well, guess
that's
what?
2 magic packs. I'd rather get 2 magic packs.
It's $5 for 4. Wow. What kind of fucking shit this plays? Oh, Isopod's there. The web's
Isopod. My god.
20XX? What the fuck? Is this... I'm assuming this is supposed to be a reference to like, don't be loud, don't be loud, don't be loud. Where's the fucking volume control?
There we
Is
go.
it there?
That's probably close to good enough, maybe.
Is this a reference to Smash or not? Sure isn't.
That's kind of silly.
It looks more like a Mega Man type of game.
Put a little chip in the sword and my life is yours. Okay.
Oh, there's a bundle called Let's Go Gambling. Aw, dang it.
Kind of fire. And I should be on the other side.
What? Oh, these are books. I see. Yeah, for sure. Robin Carr's A Virgin River. Yeah, okay, we're done looking at that.
Not there.
Okay, there we go. That does work. So now I can actually close the window when I open.
Never mind, I don't like it. No, you're right. It just needs to be in the right place for it to work. Maybe it should be like lower down, like down here. Little one right there.
Sorry, my fault. My
And
fault.
like a little one like right here.
The store's about to blow up and act like it don't know nobody.
Yeah, I think the little one down there works. Yeah, it looks kind of bad, but that's okay. I don't even know if I'm gonna use this. Because basically what this is an item that when you hit things, if it's a crit, it'll spawn a sword that like flies in and hits things.
Biddy makes noises. I do sometimes.
The handle to blade ratio is off. Yeah, you're probably right. Should be a little longer, right?
Yeah. No, I like doing this thing where I try to yawn it like
We just make it
as
shorter.
high a pitch as I can without like breaking my
It's
voice.
hard.
Sometimes I think I want to say it was at like Supernova or something. Whenever we were all hanging out in the hotel room,
Mm-hmm.
I yawned and it was like accidentally like the highest pitched thing
The-
ever.
Problem is this is the 1 or 2 pixel center, so it's kind of hard to. It could change the whole thing, but
Yeah, make the blade 4 wide.
true.
Make sure you give the blade a flare base. You definitely wanted to have a flared base.
Okay.
Or why don't you just like do sub-pixel art? What the hell? Oh my god. I'm like stupid or something?
How's it 8:30 already? It's almost
thinking that
Warframe
too, dude.
time.
No. Oh. Your brother does sub-pixel art? JW, is this true? Did your brother do sub-pixel art?
No.
Well, what's Tone saying?
I don't know.
Tone, JW's brother doesn't do sub-pixel art. Why are you lying? New Jersey accent? You're supposed.
That
Okay,
makes
so
it
I
make so much more sense. Yeah.
Yeah, brother. Yeah, brother does sub-pixel art. Why don't you? Yeah, I see what you're saying. It's like you're trying to like yeah. It's a Jersey thing. You wouldn't get a JW.
Yeah. Okay. I don't get it.
That was one of the episodes that was on when we were at PAX, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's a Jersey thing.
So good.
No, wait, was that a PAX or was that a? That was a PAX.
That was a PAX, yeah.
Or was it? It wasn't a
That was
godotcon last year, no, because
It
we only
wasn't,
watched
it was a
Family
PAX.
Guy. Yeah.
Yeah, JW didn't watch South Park, so we got to watch some very iconic South Park episodes.
It was pretty good.
We got to watch the marijuana one and the Jersey Shore one, and honestly, those might be 2 of the most iconic South Park episodes of all time, which is like kind of perfect.
Yeah, I think this looks pretty good now. You were right about the handle. I just like didn't want to make it 3 pixels.
Thanks.
wide,
Yeah,
but
I figured I was.
didn't ask.
Oh, you weren't talking about making it 4 wide? You're
Nah,
still missing it.
I
It's
made it
fine, though.
3. Oh yeah, Tone, doesn't this song kind of go crazy? I've never played this game before, but it has an amazing soundtrack, and I love it.
Is there like a search, or not a search? Isn't there like a label on this? I thought this had a preview. Does this not have a preview?
It's terrible.
Mhm.
Okay, this guy hates me.
True. The deadlock. War
I wasn't paying
you.
attention.
Holy shit.
What?
My brain is actually like
Play
broken
Deadlock?
as fuck right now.
Tone, you wanna hop on Deadlock? But if you're fried and want to like not
I
be
might in the
streaming,
moment, yeah.
that's fine.
I'm dying.
I'm, like,
right
pretty
now, I
fried,
won't
too.
lie.
I have a vendetta against Deadlock. That's crazy.
Bro plays Warframe and he says he has a vendetta against Deadlock. It's fucked up. I mean, like, I get it. I do. Wait, why do you have a vendetta against Deadlock, actually? Is the Valve game or something?
I tried to get into Deadlock twice and Steam won't let me play it.
Weird.
That sounds like a skill issue.
Yeah, I love that. So play Deadlock. Every now and then I'll play some Deadlock. It's mostly that you don't usually join and ask to play Deadlock or say to play Deadlock.
I'll hop on Deadlock. I love Deadlock. I'm a Deadlock player.
Actual Deadlock.
I'm a Deadlock player.
non-street brawl.
No, I played Deadlock.
And we're banning Graves from the game.
No, don't do that. Can
So
I play
JW does this thing where he doesn't like playing Deadlock, but when he does play Deadlock, he only plays Street Brawl as Graves. So he can just hold left click on the wave. Like, there was the time we did a fucking in-house, like, 3v3 on Street Brawl, and JW just sat there holding left click on the tower instead of, like we were doing, like, a fight or whatever. And then we just, like, the round ended because JW was just, like, pushing the tower the entire time.
That's the
It's
objective
crazy.
of the game.
It was an in-house 3v3. It's, like, quite implied that you're, like, supposed to, like, fight each other and have fun. But you just hold left.
But I don't know how to do anything else.
Banning the gays. No, we're talking about playing Deadlock. You can't do that and still be able to play Deadlock, unfortunately. Or not unfortunately. It's unfortunate that you can't achieve the goal that you're trying to achieve and play Deadlock.
I'd be willing to give another shot for the sake of team building, but that's the only reason.
What does that even mean?
Bro, think we're building a team.
Yeah, we ain't building teams.
Bro
now,
is
dude.
not
No,
on
no,
a
no, no.
team.
Deadlock does not do that. I don't know how to tell you this, Tom. 3v3, but my dumbass cat friend keeps scratching the Guardian's legs like a scratching post. So fucking true.
What did I
Deadlock
do?
3v3, but my chud friend is just an asshole and pushes the wave the entire time. It's like, sorry for anyone who gets this reference, but it's like you're doing a 1v1 on Howling Abyss, and you're 1v1 on your friend, and he just goes for minions and nothing else. Like, he just tries to minion you out every single round. It's fucked up. Also, yeah, solo queue sounds catastrophic if you're not, like, saying funny things and getting people to say funny things as well.
That is also true. I can't wait till they add like loot boxes and stuff.
I don't know how to tell you this. They're not doing that.
Oh, okay.
What am I doing? I'm tossing so many things at this, and I'm just like hoping that it's working. We'll find out. Yeah. Bro said.
Yeah.
All right, buddy. We're putting you in the blender.
Blender, like the 3D modeling software? I love Blender.
Why are you getting excited about that? You don't like Blender.
No, I love Blender.
No, you don't.
I love Blender.
Okay, all right. What if I were to tell you to I have an object selected, I press G Shift Z, what does it do? See? He ain't know.
I don't know.
Yeah.
I don't do shortcuts. Chash, I guess
Ow.
second monster, Diet Coke, monster, of course.
I don't do shortcuts. I don't do shortcuts. Then you don't like Blender. There's nobody that uses Blender without shortcuts. It is literally impossible. Unless you just don't want to ever make any progress on anything, you have to use shortcuts for Blender. What am I doing? Slash? Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Hop on League of Legends.
Dog, you cannot complain about Warframe and then go play League
I
of
can,
Legends.
and I will.
You cannot.
And I will continue to do so.
You're killing you.
Okay.
Anytime I cheat someone in Ableton, I literally yell and shout at them until I memorize the hotkeys.
Yep.
I'm trying to think how many hotkeys I use when I'm using like Cubase. Basically,
What if
like
you just,
none. I don't
I
think
mean,
there's really
you-
any that I use.
You also do like Sprite way more. Like it would be comparable to use like your Sprite knowledge versus like Tone's Ableton.
I guess.
And how many key bindings do you use in?
I guess a
Sprite?
good bit, yeah.
Yeah, no, I actually I don't yell at people to memorize the hotkeys. It absolutely baffles me that motherfuckers don't use hotkeys on programs. But like, whenever I would help like a coworker, they would like, I'd be like, oh, you need to go to the settings, but I didn't know where the settings were, like in words of like click on this menu, then this menu. I just said like do Control Alt S and it opens the settings, and then like from there you can do this. And motherfuckers don't know what their keyboard looks like. Because I would say like, oh, do Control Alt S, and then they would look down at their keyboard and they would put like a pointer finger on Control, a pointer finger on Alt, and then like raise another finger to press S. And I'm like, what are we doing? What the hell?
Yeah.
Sorry,
for sure.
actually, I need to bring this up. JW.
Yeah.
What was it? Was it WASD? Is that the one that you do that's weird?
No.
What's your how do you do WASD?
Like a normal person.
And that is
Middle on W, pointer on D, and ring on A.
I thought you did something different.
No.
There's something you do weird. Because you didn't press it with your pinky, you pressed it with like your ring finger. Was it shift? Yeah. Shift or Control Z. How do you Control Z?
With my my ring finger and my pointer finger.
There it is. That's the problem. That's the weird one. That's so weird. Ugh.
That's pretty normal.
No, dude.
I also love Control Y. Control Y is amazing.
No, Control Shift Z.
Nope.
Because it shifts it.
Nope.
It's okay. I might actually be done streaming. My fucking brain feels so cooked right now. It's actually like unbelievable. Also, I think that you are looking
Yeah.
at Instagram Reels right now, aren't you?
No.
TikTok? It was Instagram Reels. I think I had it right the first time. But anyways, also, as long as you do stuff during downtime, isn't constantly pushing wave good? No, not always. Because if you're constantly pushing wave, if someone is there to contest you, like if you get ganked or if you, like, I mean, if you mean like all other things, pushing wave into turret, yeah, it's good because then they lose souls. But otherwise, maybe I'll play a deadlock game after this.
That's crazy.
But yeah, my brain is boiled as fuck right now. I'll be honest.
Yeah.
So let me look at the list of things that we have for godotcon planned. I'll try to have a couple of these things worked on somewhat before stream next time. Where the fuck is the godotcon plans? Ah shit, they're on the other branch. Fuck. Is there not like a compare branch? There we go. It's on this. There it is. Okay. Oh yeah, the Doom Affinity's in and works mostly. Special rooms are probably easy enough to add. Oh yeah, the enemies. Fuck. Yeah. A lot of this section will be taken care of by the fucking enemy rework I'm doing.
Cool.
Hopefully. Alright, yeah. I'm gonna end stream here.
Okay.
And I'm gonna get some things off stream. I'm gonna do some off-screen mining or whatever.
That's crazy. Okay.
Yeah.
Good night, everybody.
But anyways, the enemies fuck. Yeah, the enemies and that they fuck sometimes, but not often. Yeah, but there's just there's some things that I want to change about the way enemies are made, because like ultimately, there's a lot of enemy code that doesn't need to exist. Like whenever JW made the cannon enemy, he had a very specific follow state, and whenever he made the goblin enemy, its follow state was almost identical to what the ground enemy guy was doing, without being like they're doing the same thing, but it was a lot of code rather than like just one code. But anyways, we will be back on Thursday at 6:30 p.m. EST. But until then, thank you guys for hanging out. Thank you guys for stopping by. Bye bye.